Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. I am A.K. Jha, PGT Biology. Today I am going to start a new lesson for class 10, which is Heredity and Evolution. Heredity and Evolution is a new chapter for class 10. In this chapter, firstly we discuss some terms which are used in this chapter, Heredity and Evolution. Then we start Mendel's law of inheritance. First of all, inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is the process of exchange of characters or traits from one generation to another generation. Exchange of characters or traits from one generation to another generation is called inheritance. That is, exchange of characters from one generation to another generation. It is called inheritance. And heritable characters, those characters which can pass to the next generation are called heritable characters. Heritable characters and heredity, it is the process of exchange of heritable characters from one generation to another generation. Variation, it is the process of change in characters in the members of same species and genetics. It is that branch of biology which deals about the heredity and variation. Mendel gives a law of inheritance according to their experiment on garden pea. Firstly, Gregor John Mendel was an Austrian saint. He was a school teacher and he experimented on garden pea in his own garden and gave some laws of inheritance. Why he selected garden pea for his experiment? Because of some characteristics which are found in garden pea. First important characteristics in garden pea is large number of contrasting traits. There are 7 pair of contrasting traits present in garden pea, just like tall plant and dwarf plant, white flower and violet flower, wrinkled seed and round seed, yellow seed and green seed, axial flower and terminal flower. These are the different characteristics, different contrasting traits which are found in garden pea. It was one of the important character. That is why Mendel selected garden pea for his experiment. Second is that garden pea gives large number of seeds and they are easy to grow. There are different seasons in one year, almost 3 to 4 seasons in one year. Easy to count. The seeds can be counted easily. Because of these contrasting traits, these characters, and easy to determine the characteristics, Mendel select garden pea for his experiment. Firstly, he considered only one pair of contrasting traits and result found when there is only one pair of contrasting traits considered for cross, then it is called monohybrid cross. And when 2 pair of contrasting traits are considered for cross, then it is called dihybrid cross. So in next class, we study the monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross of Mendel, and then we study the laws formulated by Mendel on the basis of monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross.